welcome back to another video. Ow!
Welcome back to another video. Yeah, we're gonna be using the kevaplanks.
Oh, I pooped. I think I sharted. Okay, basically, guys, this is what we're gonna do today. Boat. Go. Our naval area. I think I did the best. And this is one of those ships. It's one of the cruisers. And we have aircraft carrier to the left of that. And then we have my cruiser. Wait, can I see? That is pretty confusing. But at first, but you have a gun. You have the tip of it. Have the captain's thing or. I was going to this movie. Maybe, I don't know. So yeah, there's that, and then there's Noah's battleship. So yeah, epic.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Yay.